Welcome back on my legends. Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G Moa, and in this channel, I'll be showing you guys basically how to make income, better your lives, and just showing you guys my journey along, so you guys can learn along as I go. Okay. So in today's video, I just want to talk about how or why it's a great opportunity to sell on Amazon, Kindle publishing, to be exact, because well, if you want to learn how to actually publish a book without spending money, I have another video called "How to Make Money on Amazon" or "How to Make Passive Income with $0," and that's how you'll learn step by step how I'll show you guys how to make money with Kindle publishing. But in today's video, I just want to tell you guys a little about um, why I got back into Kindle publishing and the benefits of it. Okay, so my other video I said I stopped publishing, but the past couple months I've been publishing again because my income I stopped publishing for about 3 to 4 years. Was it 3 4 years? 2019 started in 20 about 16, 2 to 3 years ago. And even though I stopped, my income was still coming. All right, so that's when I saw, you know what, double down on what's working. Okay, so it's such an easy process because now I already understand all the ins and outs of how to do Kindle publishing. So it's not like I still have a learning curve, even though there are still changes here and there, but there's not that major. Okay. But the main reason why I love Kindle publishing, for example, is because it's kind of like you're buying little pieces of real estate. Let's say little apartment complexes, okay? So each book cost me about $70 to make. I outsource people to write a book for about $65, and I pay $5 for the cover, okay? And then I went into publish it online. Now anything after it makes it $65 or $70, anything after that is all passive income or profits. All right, so that's why I love it. It's basically you're cashing out an apartment uh, right at the front, and if you find a good book, you can make your money back in a month. If you don't find a good book, it's a hit and miss. But when you make a good book, you'll see that it'll pay off the other books. All right. So if you guys see my other video, how one book it made me over $4,000. So that book already covered about more than 50 of my books. All right. So as long as that book makes $70, anything after that is all pure profit. So after you make your $70 or whatever the investment that you made into it, anything after that is just passive income coming in monthly and monthly. Okay, as long as your book is a high quality book and it sells um, and gets good reviews, then you'll obviously start making money with it every month. Okay, so that's why I love Kindle publishing. It has a limited income opportunities. Obviously, in the beginning, you're gonna have to reinvest a lot of money into it until um, your investments or your profits are more than your investments. Okay, so what I suggest you doing is, for example, every month you just create one book. Let's just say that each week it costs you $100 to make one book. All right, so in a month you'll be spending $400, and you just consistently invest 4 books every month. And whenever your income goes over $400 a month, then that's when you start making profit. You guys see what I'm saying? How the income is still your expenses stays the same, but your income starts to increase because you have more books and more books every month. So let's say that you make 4 books your first month, and only 2 of them are making $50 a month. Now let's just say that every month you create a book, you eat 2 books, 50%. Um, two of those 4 books, it makes $50, so you make $100 a month. Okay, so month one you're making $100 passive income. You're still investing 400. The next month, now you're making 200. The next month you're making 300 a month because each month you're having 2 books that sells $50 a month. Okay, so after the fourth month, just hypothetically, you're breaking even every month, and after that, let's say now you're making 500 a month, 600 a month, and it just keeps increasing from there, and you keep your expenses this fixed rate. Okay, so you keep your expenses at the exact same level or the same cost, but your income will start increasing because you're increasing books, and the royalties will start increasing. All right. So compared to other businesses where you have to buy inventory, these inventory stays with you basically forever because it's just basically you're just selling a PDF file that people read from the Kindle book, right? So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. But what I like to look at it is like buying little real estates into Kindle publishing on Amazon. All right, so subscribe if you guys like what you saw. I'll be publishing some more talking about publishing too much. I'll be uploading some more videos. I'm trying to doing it at least 3 to 4 times a week. Okay, so subscribe and put that bell notification so whenever it pops out, you'll be the first one to know. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching.